Let me show you how I achieved this without this, but with this. Stay tuned. Wait, before I show you, go ahead and subscribe to the tribe, okay? We need you here. I love to have you here. You're gonna love it here too. To use the threading method to stretch my hair. I'm going to be using my Denman brush. I love this paddle brush. I also have my thread that I'm going to be using. I'm using my pattern leave-in today. I'm also going in with my Jamaica Mango castor oil, just on the ends. So we have our sections. Now I'm going to go in and show you how I do the threading right now. Okay, so I got my thread. You want a nice long piece. You don't want thin thread, you want like a really thick type of thread. Okay? So I'm gonna start from the back. Then I am going to detangle. That's gonna be a really important step. And look how easily the brush just detangles the hair. I just love that brush. I'm taking my thread. Okay. And then you want to hold this part of your hair pretty taut, like so. I'm going to take the end of the thread and just press it in with my thumb and start to wrap around. Okay? Wrap around like so. Now you don't want to wrap too tight at the base, but you want to go over a couple of times. All right. And then once you've done that maybe like 4 times, then you could start to make your way down the hair like so. And you just want to keep it stretched the whole time. Okay. Keeping it stretched with this hand. And then just keep making your way on down. Alrighty. Okay, once you get to the end, just make sure it's detangled. And then you keep working your way down. I'm like getting as close as I can to the end as possible. So what you're going to do to tie the knot is you're just going to put your thumb right there. That keeps the space. And then you're just going to bring that other side on through. And there you go. There you have it. Make sure you don't clip your ends. I mean, unless you need to dust your ends. Might as well just go ahead and do that. It says, ooh, you see how much is stretched? Okay, we are going to continue the process with the rest of my hair. Y'all, I am done with the back. Okay? You know, I'm just so excited because the blow drying process for me, I really don't like it. For more than what you may think. Like, all the things that I do to my hair, blow drying, not great at it at all. Really praying and hoping that this will give me what I need. Digging this because I know this is something that my ancestors, not even ancestors, you know, they're still doing it. It's African threading. So it's still happening because they're still in Africa. But I am like really digging this, like feeling connected to my roots, you know? So still doing the same process, do a little leave-in, do a little castor oil. Once I get down to the end, like I said before, I try to brush it just a little bit because you want the hair really smooth out, because if you don't take the time to do it, it will be no point in even stretching out your hair because you didn't even make sure it was stretched when you were stretching it with the thread, if that makes sense. Okay. Voila. and it's not too tight right here. Oh my gosh. Make sure it's not too tight right here because you will be miserable. Trust.
Yeah.
My African threading. All right, I am all done. Feels great. It's nice to not have heat on my hair, and I feel like I'm being very kind and very nice to my hair by giving it a break. Poor thing. I have to admit, I've blowed my hair at least once every month and a half, probably, maybe once a month. And I need to stop. So I'm happy I'm doing this. So I will show you all the results when it's all dry in the morning. Okay, I am back. It is the next morning. I am going to be taking out these African threading. I had this in pretty much all week, and I was just wearing wigs because my last week was crazy with work. I finally switched my position. I'm so excited. My other position was very, very stressful. I was a social worker investigating child abuse, so we are finito with that era. Okay, the stress, the vicarious trauma era. I need a little break. I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail. Are y'all ready? It's time for the big reveal. This is going to show us if this technique really works. So you see me just pulling out my hair, and then you pull the string. That is it. It is really that simple. And look, wait, okay, it is stretched. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Let's keep it going. This is actually really fun to pull out. Now that they are all out, oh wait, I always miss one. If it's a curler, a twist, it's always one. Do I have them all out now? Yes. And it feels soft. I was moisturizing like every other day. I'm just going to finger detangle them out. Okay. I'm going to gently brush this out. I just want to get all those sheds out. Just this. That's it. What is that even? That's nothing. And look, these are the results from the African threading. I'm so excited. What do y'all think? Will you get... Thank you for watching my tutorial on African threading. Make sure you try this. You will not be disappointed. And I will have future videos giving you nice hair care tips, styling ideas. It's just gonna be here, okay? Some day in the life, some vlogging, all of that. So happy you're here, friends. Make sure you stay, make sure you subscribe, and please comment. Until next time, bye.